Greetings from Långholmen, one of the most central islands, and here I have found a nice spontaneous nudist beach spot, actually out on the lake Mälaren, between Västerbron, the bridge, and also Norr Mälarstrand on the other end, even to Stadhuset, that building over there, one of the most famous buildings in Stockholm. Quite nice view. The water here is not the best for sure, but we're gonna do our best to enjoy this evening. It is 6:30 p.m. and it's time for another beach adventure with Chris from Stockholm. I'm now today very central, but it is this is the first time I'm on this beach spot here. It's basically rocks, and on this uninhabited island, this is actually, there was used to be a prison some time back, and now there is a plane going on their way to Bromma Flygplats, Bromma Airport. That over there is the Parken, and I see my building, the white one over there, where I used to stay during my first year here in Stockholm. 21 degrees Celsius in the air, and I'm not really sure how much it is in the Lake Mälaren. This is the third largest lake in the country of Sweden. And let's see how are we doing, but this is not the best spot to go for a dip for sure, but it's still convenient for a quick dip in the lake for sure. Okay, it's possible also to get in the water from here, which is nice. A bit slippery though, I must admit, which means I can't measure the actual temperature, so I will need to make some kind of sacrifice here. Okay, then I won't be measuring the temperature, or actually I will when I go into the water, but let's find... Oh my god, it is so slippery and I really must find the best way to get in. Maybe the best way is to jump and then make the way up. So I would not recommend this spot for sure. And you know what? I'm not going to measure because of the surface here. I really need to find some way in, as I'm not sure how deep it is here, but I believe it was still good enough to jump. Otherwise I would just slide into the water somehow. Here I can actually measure while I show you more of the beautiful lake Mälaren here in Stockholm. It is beach number 71 on my Sweden beach adventures, so we are still going strong. And the temperature says 20 degrees Celsius indeed. Okay, now with that said, Chris is ready to go in for a swim. So ready, set, and go! Oh. It's interesting to say the least. Very interesting beach spot here. Oh, another plane heading to Bromma Flygplats. Oh, I can stand here, so it was a good decision and not jump. Maybe, or actually I would have survived anyway. But I won't be swimming here for a longer time, as the water is not so good, I would say. but for a quick dip is the best. Actually, there is a beach on the other end with the same water, so there's not much of a difference indeed. But let's then wrap it up and say thank you so much for watching this beach adventure from this spontaneous nude beach spot in Långholmen, central Stockholm that is. And see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!